Okay, so let's make a filthy martini. Now, first thing we're going to need is glassware, and for that we have a martini glass with some crushed ice chilling, and then we're going to need a mixing glass. So we've got a mixing glass here, and now we're going to want to start adding our ingredients. And for that, we are going to be wanting to add some olives to the bottom. So for a dirty, I add 1, but for a filthy, I add 3 to the bottom. Doesn't really do a great deal, the extra 1, it just looks better when you're doing it for a customer. Makes it look like they're getting more, but there we go. So that's the olives muddled. Now we're going to start adding our ingredients. So first up, we're going to want the dry gin, and we're going 75ml of London dry gin. 35. 40. Now we're going to be adding our dry vermouth, so we're going to be adding 15 of that. And finally, for this one we're going 30 of our olive brine, because this is a filthy martini, so we double the olive brine. That's all the ingredients added, so now we're going to be wanting to add ice. So that. That's our ice added, now we're just going to stir. Put that to the side while we take our glass and we shift the ice. Now we're going to be wanting to double strain into the glass, as it is a martini and we always double strain a martini. And there we go. And there we have it, a filthy martini. So now we're just going to add some garnish. We got 3 olives on a cocktail stick there, and done. There you have it, a filthy martini.